Let me take you through the steps on how to assemble a QCIII Quick Connect drum insert into an HDPE drum. The first step would be to prepare the drum for the drum insert. The drum is delivered with a shower cap to keep the dust off the top of the drum. Drums are typically delivered also with a tamper-evident closure that needs to be removed from the sump side of the drum. The next step would be to loosen the 2-inch closure on that sump port and prepare it for the drum insert. Drum inserts are shipped with a double clean room bag. This bag has been pre-opened. The next step would be to remove the drum insert from the bag. Take the 2-inch closure off of the drum and assemble the drum insert. The insert requires a 4 foot-pound torque and then 90-degree rotation. What we have is an electronic torque wrench with an adapter that engages on the drum insert key code tabs. Rotating the adapter until it drops into the specific key code tabs, then turning clockwise until you get the proper loading, and then continue 90 degrees past that. The next step would be to assemble the shipping cap onto the drum insert. The shipping cap requires hand tight, or using a wrench would require 7 foot-pounds of torque. At this point, the drum is ready to be filled with chemical and shipped to the end user. Let's walk through the proper procedure for connecting a dispense head to a drum insert. The first step would be to remove the shower cap from the drum. The next step would be to remove the shipping cap, rotating the shipping cap counterclockwise slowly. If you get the shipping cap to a location and you hear some internal vapor pressure, allow that vapor pressure to relieve itself. Once the vapor pressure is relieved, you can remove the shipping cap completely. The next step is to engage the dispensing head. Remove the protective cap from the bottom of the dispensing head. Assemble onto the shipping cap to protect it. And the drum insert is key coded, and the key codes need to match the key code on the dispensing head. If they do not match, the two will not mate. The proper method would be to push the dispensing head down into position, rotate the retaining ring. Once the key code ring and retaining ring are in position, the dispense head will drop into place. Once in place, you can continue rotating the retaining ring until it's tight. Then push down on the dispensing head while moving back and forth, and then finish tightening the retaining ring. Once that is complete, move the splash guard down into position, and your connection is complete and you're ready to dispense chemical.